Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking my video to watch. So for today's video, I did this really easy under 15-minute makeup tutorial. I gave myself 15 minutes thinking it would probably be about 10 minutes. I think it ended up being around 6 minutes, which is even better. And I did also take a couple of seconds for each product just to kind of hold it up and show you guys, and also zoom in and focus on the timer. So technically, I think if you were really fast, you could do this look in 5 minutes if you wanted to. My brows were already done because I did another makeup tutorial and I didn't really want to redo them. So you could probably add another minute onto your eyebrows if you are really fast at them. I don't do much for mine. That's why it's really fast for me to do mine. But I do actually do this look if I am just going out grocery shopping. I do this look a lot. So it's actually a makeup look that I wear often. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like it if you like these types of videos, and if you'd like to know how I got this look in under 15 minutes, then please just keep watching. Okay, so here I am just showing you guys. I'm starting the timer. I thought it was going to take a lot longer than this look actually did. So I'm going to take some primer oil, and when I'm doing hardly any makeup or I'm being really fast at it, I like to give my skin a little bit of a glow. So that's why I go in with my oil first. Next, I'm going to take my It Cosmetics CC cream. I like to do a lighter coverage foundation or a BB cream when I'm doing a look like this, because then it just kind of flows together better. And I'm just using this Q sponge to blend it all in, because a sponge for me is fastest and easiest. I do need a little bit of extra coverage underneath my eyes because I have a lot of discoloration under there. So I'm going to take my Too Faced Super Coverage Concealer and just use a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. So if you wanted to just do a little light coat, you could. Or if you wanted to use a bit more, then you can give yourself more of a full coverage look. I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer using my Marc Jacobs Mirage Filter palette, just using the banana shade in there because when I want to do my makeup quick, I don't have any time for baking. The bronzer I'm going to use is my NARS Laguna bronzer. This bronzer has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives me a lot of life to my face, and also has a red undertone, so it looks really natural. So I love this one when I just want to do a quick and easy look. Moving on with another NARS product, I'm going to use their blush in the shade Luster. This gives me a nice little flush, so I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and dragging it backwards. For my highlighter, I have been falling back in love with my Becca Opal highlighter. It just gives me such a beautiful glow. And when I'm wearing a top where you can see my collarbone and shoulders, I love to just apply a little bit there too. So the mascara I've been loving recently is this Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara, and it just feathers out your lashes really pretty, and it looks natural but gives them a lot of length at the same time. I'm going to apply a lipstick with a little bit of sheer color in it just to give my look a little pop, and I'm also going to set all my makeup in place with some MAC Fix Plus. And then as you can see, that left me with about 9 minutes left. And that is the completed look. I really love to do this look when I know I'm going to have hardly any time to get ready, but I want to look a little bit more put together. Well, that is it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to throw in my really fast makeup routine because I know a lot of people either don't want to or just don't have that much time to do their makeup, or they're running late. Then I think this is the perfect look. You have a little bit of color in your face with the blush and the lipstick. I think it just adds a little pop, and it just makes it look like you tried a little bit harder than it actually was. Also, I put a little bit of highlighter on my collarbone. I think it just makes the look pop a little bit more, even though it's a really simple look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.